wonderful kasi nasa kanya na lahat ng personality na gugustuhin mo sa isang tao. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
You make me wanna stand up, throw my hands up and scream. I get that feeling. Hey, give it to me. Oh, I get that feeling. Oh, you know what it means. Take me to church.
Napaka-deserve mo para mag-celebrate ng ganito. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Ngayong 40 ka na, huwag munang masyadong tipidin yung sarili mo. Portado naman lagi kita. Yun, mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday.
And may God's favor, joy, and unconditional love always be upon you. I love you. Alam mo yan. Happy 40th birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the blessings you deserve. Enjoy your special day.
Ngayong gabi, gusto kong malaman mo na hindi lang ito birthday celebration. Ito ay celebration ng buhay mo, ng kabutihan mo, ng pagmamahal mo, at ng lahat ng sakripisyong ginawa mo para sa akin at sa amin. We love you so much, love. Happy 40th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sol! God bless you.
All the best.
Happy birthday, Ate Sol. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sol! We love you.
Happy birthday, Sol. We love you. God bless you.
Enjoy the rest of the night. Welcome everyone. Thank you. Cheers!
Let's get together. Let's get to having some fun. Let's do whatever. The night's looking so
Only blessings para sa'yo. Yun ang wish namin. Dahil pag blessed ka, blessed kami. Okay? Yay! Happy birthday! At higit po sa lahat, my love. Siya po talaga yung nag-insist ng party ni ito. Thank you, my love. Thank you is not enough. Kaya, akong bahala sa iyo.
let's get together. Let's get to having some fun. Let's do whatever. The night's looking so
Ang wish ko sa iyo, mas mahalin mo ang sarili mo. Palagi kang maging masaya. At mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Let's get to having some fun. Let's get together. Let's get together.